From now on, you can verify the authenticity of your company's documents using signNow's stamp fields. First, let's see how you can set up a default stamp that is associated with your account. To do so, proceed to your account settings. Next, click Add Stamp to upload an image of your company's stamp. You can customize the stamp according to your preferences. Change its size, contrast, and rotation. Once finished, click Save to confirm changes. You can use the stamp field feature to require your recipients to verify a document with a stamp instead of adding their signature. Let's see how it works. Choose the document and open it in the editor. Choose Stamp Field from the menu on the left and click anywhere on the document to add it. You can move the field, change its size, make it required or optional, or set conditions. If you'd like to add your own stamp to the document, choose My Stamp from the same menu. You can use the default stamp or click Add New Stamp and upload a new one. Once all is set, click Save and Close. That's it. Your document is ready to go. You can save it to your device or send it out for signature to one or multiple recipients. That's it for today. Explore other signNow features if you want to speed up and simplify your document-driven processes.